Utrecht, a vibrant city located in the heart of the Netherlands, beckons travelers with its blend of history, innovation, and dynamic cultural scene. Known for its picturesque canals, medieval charm, and lively ambience, Utrecht offers a diverse array of activities and experiences that cater to history enthusiasts, art lovers, and those seeking an authentic Dutch adventure. Utrecht's historical significance is evident in its architecture, particularly in the iconic Dom Tower, the tallest church tower in the Netherlands. Climbing its 465 steps rewards visitors with breathtaking panoramic views of the city and its surroundings. The Oudegracht, a charming canal lined with unique shops, cafes, and restaurants, meanders through the heart of the city, providing a picturesque setting for leisurely strolls. The city's vibrant cultural scene is enriched by its museums, galleries, and theaters. The Centraal Museum showcases a diverse collection of art, from Dutch Golden Age paintings to contemporary design. The Railway Museum offers a unique glimpse into the history of trains and railway travel. Utrecht's thriving music scene is evident in its numerous venues, such as Tivoli Vredenburg, which hosts a wide range of concerts and events. Utrecht's innovative character is reflected in its academic institutions, with Utrecht University being one of the oldest and most prestigious in the country. The city's youthful energy is palpable, creating an atmosphere that seamlessly blends history with modernity. The Utrecht Science Park fosters cutting-edge research and collaboration, contributing to the city's reputation as a hub of knowledge and innovation. The city's culinary landscape is a delight, with its cafes, restaurants, and local markets offering a mix of traditional Dutch dishes and international cuisines. The vibrant stalls at the Vredenburg Market and the food stalls along the Twijnstraat provide a diverse array of flavors to savor. Utrecht's lively terraces, located along its canals, are perfect spots to enjoy a drink while watching the world go by. Utrecht's central location makes it an ideal base for exploring the Netherlands. Day trips to nearby attractions, such as the Keukenhof Gardens or the charming town of Amersfoort, are easily accessible. The city's friendly locals contribute to its welcoming atmosphere, often eager to share stories and recommendations with visitors. Whether you're wandering through its historic streets, indulging in its culinary delights, exploring its cultural gems, or simply embracing the ambience of its canals and squares, Utrecht offers an immersive experience that captures the essence of Dutch heritage and leaves a lasting impression on all who venture into its captivating embrace.